how to change the picture, watermark, font style, and text alignment on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the settings icon at the top. Next, we scroll down, then tap on watermark. Now in here, we go down to the style section and tap on font. In here, you can choose which font to use. So you have 3 different fonts. You got default, Roboto, and not of serif. Select one of the fonts that you want to use. Now below that are the alignment options. So here you can align text to the left hand side, the center, or the right hand side. And you can also align text to the top or to the bottom. So 5 different positions that you can set at the top, middle, and bottom, or on the right hand side or the left hand side. And that's it. At the top here are the custom options. So if you want to add in custom text, you can add in anything that you want. And then tap on save. So that is your custom text. Below that are your date, watermark, and timestamp. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.